The Vocational Social Services Practitioner qualification is a 2-year qualification targeted towards individuals that are working in social services. The first year is delivered all teaching and learning, which can be face-to-face or it can be remote depending on the location of the learners. And in the second year then, the practice educator takes over and carries out the assessments with the learners then. There are individuals out there that are currently practicing that do these jobs. And what the qualification does is give them recognition for what they're doing, but also supports their knowledge and understanding to be up at that level that it should be in line with the Social Services and Wellbeing Act.
So doing the qualification online was a challenge for me. I've never actually learnt in an online setting. I've always been classroom-based or lecture room-based. So whilst it did pose a challenge for me, it also supported my type of directive learning. All the students that were online were from different demographic areas, meant that there was a wealth of knowledge in the room, so to speak.
So I chose to do the SSP qualification because I knew that the qualification would give me the skills and knowledge to be able to provide the best possible service to the communities that I was working in. So my advice to anyone wanting to start a social care apprenticeship would be that it's never too late. When I started my job at 19 in the police force, I thought that was me, set. I thought that was my career and I would never go back to college or school. And for me, school was not an environment that I loved. I didn't thrive there. I didn't go to university and I was really apprehensive about starting a new qualification, but it's been amazing. Lowri has been so supportive and I'm really glad I started it and I'm really excited to see what the future holds now.